welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea and today I'm doing my Christmas card. It's Sunday, so this is the card that I pop into the Joy of Sets Christmas Challenge album each Sunday. I think I'm on to number 15. I've lost track. I think it's number 15 of my cards that I've put into there. So yes, I'm doing well. This one is going to be, I've seen lots of white and silver floralish sort of Christmas cards, so I'm going to do one of those today. And what I'm starting off with is I have a 4x6 extra thick Whisper White base. Obviously it's an 8x6 that I've just folded and scored. I need to burnish that. I'm going to try and keep everything pristine. Then I've got a piece of silver foil, which is just a 1/4 of an inch, an 1/8 of an inch smaller, and then another piece of Whisper White to go on top of that. So this is going to be very, very sort of, hopefully, very elegant and quite chic and classy and unfussy in terms of the background. Then what I'm going to do is I've made these flowers using the Poinsettia Punch. I don't think it's called Poinsettia Punch, but anyway, it's retired, but I've seen it loads on resale, and I got mine on resale. And I've cut all of the shapes out using white cardstock, the silver card, mirror card, and also vellum. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to build up a big flower and a smaller flower, and then I'm just going to heat emboss in silver, hopefully, fingers crossed it'll work, this Just Christmas Wishes here, keeping it very, very, very simple. So I'm going to put my Christmas wishes on first, because then that'll give me, then I'll know what sort of space I've got to work with the flower. Okay. And now my flowers. So what I'm going to do is I've got like a big flower and a small flower, and I'm going to build them up like this, I think. So I'm just going to stick them, let them overlap, put the silver ones on, and then the silver ones going the other way. Now with me, this is where danger zone happens once you start gluing things like this, because this is where I start to get covered in glue. So when that's dry, then I can lift the sides up, and then the idea is that that will sort of sit across that one, and that will be my card. So let's see what happens, see if we can do that. So I'm just going to get my bone folder, and I'm just going to turn up. Right, well, I happen to love that. I think it looks gorgeous. Maybe this top one could do with a bit more something. And I'm just going to put the little stamen piece in the middle. There we go. I think it's much better to try and shape your flower once it's stuck on. And there's a nice Christmas card, very simple, and when it's all dried I'll just go and just wipe these, wipe the silver ones. We'll just zoom in. So there we have it, a very simple card, and I've made like white and silver poinsettias. So that's really, really straightforward and simple, but fun to make and just a little bit unusual. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again next week for Sunday's Christmas card number 15, I think.